it's me, Reena, at your screen, and before we even get started, just completely ignore this hair situation right now because it's a hot mess. Just letting you know. So yeah, today I'll be starting with my new series just because you guys loved my Back to College series so much that I was so motivated to start this new series. And this series is called 5 products under 500. This is my take on this whole series, so I hope you guys enjoy. Every month I will be uploading one part of this series, and I hope you guys appreciate it. Also, I might have a quick giveaway in the end of this video, just saying. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let go. So the first thing I'm going to start is, now this thing I've been using for the past 1.5 months, and I am obsessed with this. Let me kill that suspense and tell you, this is the product I'm talking about. This is the Patanjali Neem Aloe Vera Mask, and oh my gosh, can you see? I'm like halfway through, and I've been using this since a month. Now I know that not all Patanjali products are natural. There are some products that do have preservatives and etc, etc. However, this product does not have any preservatives whatsoever. This is 100% natural, and can you see there's this green line? Yes, that means this is 100% natural. So even if you have sensitive skin, you can use this. Now I love this mask because it definitely tightens my skin. Now I have normal to dry skin, and a lot of times some masks are so heavy that they kind of dry out my skin and make it look flaky, which is not a cute thing. However, this mask definitely tightens my skin and does not dry out. It does not moisturize or hydrate, but it definitely removes the gunk out of my face, but still not dry my face. Now on the other side, my brother has oily skin type, and even he loved it. He definitely said that his skin that night was not at all oily, and the next day when he woke up it was oil free, which is like a great thing. This is definitely a thumbs up for all skin types. It's going to work beautifully, cleans your face, tightens your face, does not dry your face, and 100% natural, and retails for less than 100 rupees. I don't know the exact price, I'll leave it in the description, so don't worry, I got you covered. Then the next thing I have is something that I did not know it exists until I went to Bandra Beauty Center store and I found this, and this was a life changer, girlfriend. I'm talking about the Hip Hop Skin Care Nail Polish Removal Pad. I don't know under what rock I was living that I didn't know about this. Now personally, I'm not a nail paint lover or a nail freak as such, so definitely love this. This is the Hip Hop Instant Nail Polish Remover White with vitamin E. Now when you use those other nail paint removers, you know, they leave that white cast and they kind of make your fingers all creepy and rough, and it's just so gross and it's not really good for your nails. Whereas when I use this, oh my gosh, it literally feels like I'm putting up an oil, and it's just amazing. It has this beautiful shine to it. However, this does have a very tangy fragrance, and that is something they do mention over here, but that's okay with me. And there are around 30 pads, and one pad can be used for both your fingers, both your toes. That's a great thing. They are so well dipped into that solution of theirs that it's perfectly wet, and you just have to place it and zoop, it's gone. The nail paint is gone forever. Definitely highly recommend you this. Very hygienic. Can you see there is this case, and if you remove this case there is going to be a pad like so. I'm sorry, this is all creepy and dirty, but this is the size of it, and I just used it. And yes, I did a face mask with turmeric, and that's why it's all yellow. So see, it removed the stains of turmeric as well, so you know how good this stuff is. Definitely love it. This retails for 110 rupees, so totally worth it. I will try to find this online, I'll leave it in the description, but I'm sure you can find it on any of your beauty store, and travel friendly and everything that you can ask for. So I'm not talking about my Maybelline Falsies for a change. Yes, that's right, I'm talking about the new mascara, but from Maybelline, of course. Like obviously nobody can do mascaras better than those guys. I am talking about this mascara because some of you guys recommended this to me, and you were like, try it, you like it, you like it. I really like it, but I don't know if I would choose this over that one. I'll still take a time. And I am talking about the Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. Now I personally love waterproof mascaras. It's just a personal preference, but if you don't like waterproof, they also have the washable version, which is totally fine. I definitely love this. I'm using it today. You have those Asian lashes which grow like zoop, so this will give you that volume and that curl, and it definitely holds onto that curl just as it says. It's natural black, it does not clump your eyelash, definitely volumizing, and this retails for 350 or 300. Give it a try if you are someone who loves to curl their eyelashes or is kind of creeped by the whole process of taking that eyelash curler and just creeping your eye. It's okay, I feel you've been there, done it, survived it. Yes. The fourth product that I have for you guys is this concealer right here. It's by Inglot and it's their cream concealer in the shade DW300. I love this concealer. You need the tiniest amount of it and oh my gosh, you are done. This blends like a dream. It's just gold, it's perfection. This tiny pan retails for 500 rupees and you have this magnetic thing, so if you have a Z palette you can store it in that. I don't have it. I kind of like to store mine in this kind of a pills case and it's perfectly fine. Anyways, I love this. Super high coverage. I am definitely curious to see how their concealer will work underneath my eyes, because I am really impressed, and as you can see I have kind of like hit pan on the middle, so I definitely recommend this to you, and it's my holy grail cream contour as of now. So moving on to the last thing, I have an eye concealer. Now this is something I've been using pretty much every day, and I am talking about the Kryolan Supra Color Concealer. I don't know the exact name of this concealer, but I will leave it in the description. Now again, it's in the same concept of that. This retails for 200 rupees. However, there is no magnetic thing to this, but again, this is your answer to such product. Can you see that huge dent in the middle? Yes, that is how much I love this. It's very creamy. This works beautifully with your fingers, with your brush, with your beauty blender, with anything and everything. High coverage, super blendable. It will crease if you don't set, so you need to make sure that you set this properly. Definitely recommend this to you. It's totally worth it, and it's definitely one of those underrated products. Yeah, that's all I had for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That would really mean a lot to me. And coming to the giveaway part, I will be sending you a surprise gift. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Snapchat, because I will be announcing the results on my Snapchat exactly 1 month later when this video goes up, and I will mention the winner's name in the description so that there is no confusion, and leave a comment below telling me your Snapchat ID and what video you want to see next. And yeah, that's all I had for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and a very happy Diwali, and I hope you all are happy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.